Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to fix lag in Subway Surfers City. So first thing that you will do is you could just simply go ahead and go to the App Store into your device. If you are using an Android, just simply go to the Google Play Store. And now from here, you could just simply search for the Subway City, and pretty much over here just make sure you are running the latest version of the app, because sometimes if the app is outdated it causes some lag. And to make sure, you could just simply select the three dots and enable the auto update. Now, however, if you are still having a lag in the Subway Surfer City, you could also try deleting some photos or pretty much videos, or deleting some applications that you no longer need, because sometimes a full storage can cause issues. Another option that you could try is you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings, and you could just simply go for the apps, and then over here you could just simply search for the application Subway City. And from here, by doing this, you could just simply tap on storage. And by doing this, you could just simply tap on clear cache at the bottom right, and it will fix the issue. If it doesn't, you could just simply tap on clear data, but clearing the data will refresh the application and it will delete all the data that you have. And if you have any accounts, it will let you log in into them again in order for this to be working. And pretty much that's it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.